Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy coming to you live right here in sunny South Florida. Boy, have we got a special treat today. You know, Mr. Sunshine makes keys and locks for clients around the world. And today, we just got in from California a beautiful 1958 Harley Davidson Ignition Switch. Now, this is a original from a 1958 Panhead. From what I understand, you can see the back of the lock. This isn't a reproduction. This is an original. And what you can see right here is a Harley Davidson. It is a Briggs & Stratton keyway B1, B3. And on this one, we have several ways of making a key for this. I can impression this, which I've done several times before. Or we could take it apart by pulling the back pins out, dismantling it, fitting the key, and putting it back together. This particular Harley Davidson has a code number. This code number stamped on the front, B329. B329. You look in the code books. Mr. Sunshine has codes for virtually every lock known on the planet. We actually did the codes. We've got the information. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a key by code today. We're going to use a CodeMax, and we're going to do one on a Framon code machine. These are the best machines that you can get. Framon is one of the best machines ever created. It's got the adjustable everything, I should say. Several cutters, several type of spacing blocks. The CodeMax is a very simple machine. You actually just turn the machine on, let it charge up. What we did was we looked up the code, and the code came to 15513. That would be the cuts inside the lock. That would be the wafers that are in there, different depths and different spacings. For the CodeMax, for that particular model, is a 005. They actually have a book that has a list virtually every lock with a different code, DSD number. That would be the spacings and the depths of each individual lock. So we hit the DSD number. We're going to type in 005. You're going to push enter. It says StratTech disk. Use shoulder, stop as guide. We're going to go ahead and put a key blank in there. You can see this is a 1098 LB3. Key slides right in, but naturally it doesn't turn. So what we'll do is we'll put that key into the vise, tighten it up, hook it up to the shoulder, slip that down. We're going to put in the code 15513. Oh, no, that's not right. We missed the first number. Clear. There it is. 5513. Push enter. It says ready. You hit start. We go ahead and machine starting to calibrate. As you can see, the cutter comes on. It's going to move it down to the first cut. You'll barely hear it. It's a number 1. You hear that? And then it's going to go to 5, 5, 1, 3. It'll set down. It'll shut down. Once it's done, you loosen the vise. You take that key, you stick it in there, and there it is. There it is. Operated right off of a CodeMax, right by code. Now, we can use it on the Framon. We can just put the key into that Framon as well. As a matter of fact, we can go ahead and do one of those. Here we go. We got another blank. We'll stick the key right here into the vise. Line up the shoulder. You're going to slide this over. It says cut start at 150. Let me make sure you can see that. Cut start at 150. We're actually going to go ahead. These are in 50 thousandths, 50 all the way around. So you're going to go 50, 100, 150. There you go, just as though it lines it up. We're going to use a spacing block 093. That gives the spaces from cut to cut 93 thousandths on each one. Flip the machine on. The number 1 depth is a 250. We will put it to 200. Over to 250. As such, pull the lever back. And then we're going to go to a 5 would be a 190. We're actually going to set this up to 190. Let's take it over to the second cut. 190. We'll do another 190. It's 5.5. And then back to the 250. And then we do to the last one, which would be a 3, which is a 220. Pull that out. And there you go. So we did 2 keys, one on the CodeMax, one on the Framon by code for this 1958 Harley Davidson. I believe he said it was a panhead. He wanted to have the original key because the other was another 4 lock, I do believe he said was on there, and he's going to have the matching key. He could have bought a replacement lock, but he would rather stick with the all original Harley Davidson OEM lock. There you go, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy. You have any questions? You have any locks? You give me a call, 561-693-8636, or just send me a text or an email at thepalmbeacher@gmail.com, and we will get you back into the key turning in that lock again. Pick up that phone, call me now. Thank you for watching.